With the development of technology, there's new demand every day for remote offices and teleclasses. Now, unfortunately, sometimes we get interrupted by terrible quality audio devices, and that can ruin our day, such as background noises during recording and echoes during communication, which not only affect the transmission of information, but also the efficiency of your meeting. Okay, so today we're going to take a look at the CS1 Slim conference speaker from Jazz Hipster. Supposed to make all of your meetings more efficient and all the communication way smoother. We're going to take a look at the noise cancellation and the audio connection quality, which would be the most important to you. So let's take a look at it. So the CS1 Slim conference speaker. The hardware and software are specifically designed for online conference needs. All right, so as you can see, the exterior design is flat, can be easily placed on a table, and doesn't take up much space. All right, so let's take a look at the function buttons. We've got the call controls, the volume controls, we've got play and pause, and the Bluetooth function button. These features are simple and intuitive, so everyone can get started easily. It's about palm-sized, and it has a dedicated storage box, so it's easy to store and carry. So no matter where you are, if you're at the office or at home or even on a business trip, with the CS1 Slim, you can have a smooth meeting anytime. The CS1 Slim offers both wired and wireless connectivity, with up to 14 hours of battery life via Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connection. We can charge it quickly using the Type-C plug-in cable on the side, and can always use it while plugged in, so even more convenience. The CS1 Slim is produced by Jazz Hipster. They're a professional speaker manufacturer that listens to market demand, and they've been leading acoustic technology for more than 40 years. They provide a wide range of ODM/OEM products and solutions, including audio-video conference series, home theater series, speaker drivers, healthcare speakers. It also provides IoT speaker solutions with high flexibility on demand. Jazz Hipster is trusted by global partners and clients for its advanced acoustical skill sets. Its innovative products, reliable quality, high standard acoustic technology make it a leader in the acoustic market. Furthermore, assisting our partners in fulfilling the savvy user's market demands is the mission that Jazz Hipster is committed to accomplish. All right, so now let's test the audio connection in two-way communication.
Hello?
Oh, hey, Vanessa.
Hi, William. Oh, sorry, it's a bit noisy here.
Oh, that's fine. I just wanted to introduce you to the CS1 Slim conference speaker.
Oh, you're using that one too? I know the machine. My company is also using this one. CS1 Slim is powerful, but also with the Just Connect app to use. So you can use the phone, can also easily adjust the mode.
Sounds like you know a lot about it.
CS1 Slim is also a great pleasure to listen to music, so I highly recommend using it when you are relaxing from work.
Okay, thanks, Vanessa. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So just from listening to the CS1 Slim, we can hear that it has great features, great sound quality. It's very enjoyable to listen to music on. It has a nice, lightweight and clean design. So I mean, if you need a speaker for personal use or a multi-person one for conferences or business or whatever, this one certainly won't let you down. Your best audio partner, Jazz Hipster.